In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew your Zoho Books subscription. If you're ready, let's dive right into it and make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, open your internet browser and navigate to the Zoho Books website. This is where we will be carrying out the renewal process. Once you're on the site, direct your attention to the upper right corner where you'll find the Sign In button. Give it a click to proceed to the login page. Here you'll need to enter your user credentials. Make sure you input your email and password correctly. If you have saved these details, the login process will be even quicker. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to the Zoho Books homepage. This is the place where you can access all your accounting tasks and where you will begin the renewal of your subscription. Now, direct your eyes to the navigation menu where you should see an option called Subscribe. This option is usually prominent and easy to spot. Give it a click and it will lead you to a new page outlining your current subscription details, along with additional options for managing your subscription. Here's where we make the magic happen. Look for the upgrade plan option. It's typically displayed next to your current plan details. Clicking on upgrade plan will bring up all the available plans that Zoho Books offers. Take a moment to review these carefully. If you wish to continue with your current plan, that's perfectly fine. Most people find sticking with their existing plan works flawlessly for their ongoing needs. If upgrading is on your mind, evaluate the different options presented. Each one will have varying features and pricing, so choose the one that aligns with your business needs. Once you've made your choice, follow the on-screen prompts to finalize your plan selection. This may involve confirming your selection and entering payment information. Lastly, ensure you have updated your payment details if needed. It's crucial to have this information accurate and ready, as it guarantees uninterrupted service with Zoho Books. After everything is confirmed, hit that magical Submit or Proceed button at the bottom of the screen to complete the process. You'll receive a confirmation email from Zoho Books shortly, verifying your subscription renewal. And there you have it, your subscription is renewed and you're all set to continue enjoying the robust accounting solutions that Zoho Books offers. I hope this guide has made the renewal process straightforward and hassle-free. Thanks for joining me today, and see you in the next video.